Welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today we'll be covering how to perform a Nessus scan. Nessus is a popular test tool for assessing the vulnerabilities of a system. To run a Nessus scan on your deployment, you first need to build a deployment. If you would like to review how to create a deployment, a scenario, or a system, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the screen or in the video description down below. If you're like me and you've cheated a bit, head on over to Deployment Builder, click Add Test Asset, find your Nessus scan, add to Deployment Builder, view details to get back to the Deployment Builder, add a name, and launch your deployment as normal. If you'd like to review how to launch a deployment, follow the links, again, in the upper right-hand corner or in the video description down below. Once it's complete, head on over to Test Results, view details, and you'll be able to view and download the full results of a Nessus scan. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.